Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious pumpkin spice latte right at home. This recipe is super simple, easy to follow, and tastes just like the one from Starbucks, but for a fraction of the price. Place down a small saucepan over medium heat and add 2 tablespoons pumpkin puree, half a teaspoon pumpkin pie spice, and 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Continuously stir for a couple minutes until it's hot. Then mix in 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, stir until it thickens up. Add 2 cups of whole milk, mix. 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and 2 shots of espresso. Mix thoroughly with a hand mixer until fully combined and frothy. Reduce heat to a gentle simmer. While that's simmering, let's make the whipped cream. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of cold heavy cream. Using a hand mixer, whip the cream until it's light and fluffy. That's perfect. Now all that's left to do is serve and Now all that's left to do is serve and enjoy. Top with whipped cream, pumpkin spice, and a cinnamon stick. Enjoy!